First of all, the definition of a projectile is an object which is in free fall, which has no other forces acting on it other than its weight pulling it downward. There are two main types of projectiles which we study in physics in the higher course. One which is fired upwards at an angle from the cannon in this example here, and one which starts off horizontally, which could be rolling off a flat desk, or in this case here, when an object being dropped from an aeroplane which is flying horizontally. For the cannon one, the flight of the projectile is a parabola. It has upwards and downwards motion. If we look at that being fired again, there we go. Whereas the box only has the downwards motion. And now if we look at the projectile motion in a bit more detail, we'll fire the cannon here and note the parabolic shape. Now we can click and see the individual pictures of the ball at each point. So each distance is the same horizontally between each time frame here, and that shows a constant horizontal speed. And if we look at the vertical, what we see are a series of lines getting closer together as the object goes up the way, i.e. it's slowing down, and then when it's on the way back down, it's speeding up. So as I said, horizontally we can conclude that the motion is constant speed, and vertically we have it a constant downwards acceleration of 9.8 meters per second squared, causing it to slow down on the way up and speed up on the way down.